Here, I've got some corn. So if you would come over here and make us a quick compound butter. All right, we need about 1/4 of a cup of cilantro.
Okay.
And we are gonna use this butter that we have at room temperature.
We keep these on hand all the time.
Cilantro.
Well, compound butters.
Oh,
all
yeah.
kinds of flavors.
I love giving compound butters for Christmas.
You can put them in baked potatoes, you can put them in rice, they really are
Anything.
versatile.
I'm actually gonna cut our chili off. All right, trash can's right there. You
Trash
just passed
can,
it.
right here.
Dishwasher.
Well, I don't know anything
trash
about
can.
that. There we go.
All right, so we've got our corn right here. So when you get our butter mixed up, if you would just
rough
double
chop this?
wrap it. Yes, take each ear of corn and slather that with your compound butter. Yeah.
All right. So, you ready to cook? Should I tie them up?
You might want to get your horses.
I'll get the horses if you'll start pulling the ingredients out.
Okay.
Got it. That's your next surprise, and those are
I
some
would just
secret
feel better
ingredients.
if the horses were tied up.
All right. I figured you would, so.
All right, well, I'm finally going through your bag. Salt? You think he thought I didn't have salt? Vegetable oil? He had every ingredient in that saddle bag. Oh my God, that feels like bacon. I thought, wow, Grady, you must have not thought I kept any kind of groceries here. Corn is so good. Georgia meets Texas.
They got Pan Asian, Pan Fusion, this and that.
What do we got? Pa Grady.
I like it already.
That's for Paula and Grady. Or Gray Pa. I had a ball with Grady today, y'all. What girl doesn't dream of cowboys? And he fed me.
Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this blast from the past, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.